Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to use Trello for planning. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to Trello.com. Once on Trello, tap on Workspaces and then tap on a workspace. Or you could also create your very own workspace, up to you. Then in here over at Recent, on the drop down, you will see also different notifications as to what's happening already with your very own Trello boards. Then once you click on Starred, this will now show you the starred products or starred boards that you have over at Trello. Then once you go to Templates, in here you will see different templates for project boards so that you'll be choosing a design depending on your project. Once you tap on Create, this should allow you to create a board for Trello. In here you can choose to create a board, start with a template, or create a workspace. If you decide to create a board, in here you can name your board and then you can also add as much as details as you want over here at the Trello board. All you have to do this time is to click on your newly made board. And then in here, you can create different boards such as the task, in progress, and then if it's completed. And then once you click on plus add a card in any of the boards, you should be able to create a tracker. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.